always dressed up and people are totally taking pictures of him because I guess he's Nova. I guess I'm not.
Who's Nova?
I don't know, but he supposedly looks.
Is he as cool as elephants can?
Joe. You know, you remind me of in Dumbo where he has that crazy dream. That's what he does.
Oh yeah.
But you asked me a question. What was my first song?
Yeah, you were playing.
Oh, it was the John Mayer song. Cool. Any other stuff? Oh, right here. Black and red. Pinkish kind of shirt? Pink. Sorry.
I was wondering how you picked the costumes for soundcheck.
That's a good question, Joe. Tell us how you do it.
Well, we have an elite team of experts behind closed doors backstage. We sit around for hours deciding which one I'm going to wear today. Today is Elephant Day, so...
Joe, why don't you take the mask off so we can see your face?